Hi, and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we are in the kitchen cooking something very easy and very delicious. I'm going to show you guys how to do some easy 2-ingredient cheese sauce. That's right, there's only 2 ingredients in it and it's going to be very easy. So first, all you need is some extra sharp cheddar cheese and some heavy whipping cream. Those are the only 2 ingredients that you're going to need. So first of all, you're going to take your cheese. You can either grate it up or you can chop it up. It doesn't matter because it's going to melt. So we're going to take that cream, heat it up, and then add our cheese to it. Once we've added our cheese to it, we're just going to whisk it for maybe 5 to 7 minutes until it's nice and creamy. And that's it. Look at that. Nice and creamy and cheesy. And then you could add it to things such as cauliflower. You could put it on top of some nachos. Now, doesn't that look good? You could even put it on top of broccoli. It's a cheese sauce, so you could add it to so many different things. So I hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye.